Grandma Bear's New Hip by Dr. Edward Gale Movius. This book is dedicated to the memory of my loving wife, Therese Georgiana Brendler. Grandma Bear went for a walk with her grandson. "Why were you using a cane and walking so slowly today?" asked Baby Bear. "My hip hurts a lot," said Grandma Bear. "When I was younger, I used to ski and run and play tennis and dance." "I think you should call Dr. Goldilocks," said Baby Bear. "Hi, Grandma Bear," said Dr. Goldilocks. "How are you today?" Grandma Bear replied, "I have pain in my right hip when I walk." Dr. Goldilocks said, "I think you should come to my office so that I can examine you." Grandma Bear went to Dr. Goldilocks' office the next day. "Hi, Grandma Bear," said Dr. Goldilocks. "How is your hip today?" "I still have pain in my right hip, especially when I walk and when I twist my leg," she replied. "You may have arthritis in your hip like other older bears," said Dr. Goldilocks. "Your heart and lungs are fine, but your hip joint does not move easily when I move your leg. Please go to radiology for an MRI scan of your hip." Grandma Bear went to radiology for the MRI scan of her hip, and then she went back to see Dr. Goldilocks. "Good morning, Grandma Bear," said Dr. Goldilocks. "I looked at the MRI scan. The top of the leg bone, which is called the femoral head, is like a round ball. It fits into a smooth, round depression in the hip bone called the acetabulum. The thin layer of cartilage that helps these two pieces fit together and move easily is almost gone. Your bone surfaces are also very rough. You have arthritis in your hip joint." "What do I do now?" Grandma Bear asked. "You should take some anti-inflammatory medicine twice a day and always use your cane when you go walking," explained Dr. Goldilocks. Grandma Bear went to the pharmacy to get the new medicine. She took the arthritis medicine twice a day for 3 weeks and then returned to Dr. Goldilocks' office 3 weeks later. "How do you feel now?" asked Dr. Goldilocks. "The medicine helped me somewhat," said Grandma Bear, "but I still have a lot of pain in my hip when I walk." "I understand," said Dr. Goldilocks. "Your pain will be cured by an operation. We will make a small incision over your right hip. Then we will remove the damaged femoral head and acetabulum, and then we will put a new ball and socket made out of titanium into your hip." "How long will I have to stay in the hospital?" asked Grandma Bear. "Only 2 days," replied Dr. Goldilocks. Grandma Bear went to the hospital where Dr. Goldilocks took out her damaged hip joint and inserted a brand new hip joint. Since she was asleep during the entire operation, she did not feel any pain. After the operation, the nurses gave Grandma Bear an aluminum walker to help her stand and walk, and a grabber to pick up objects from the floor. She learned how to get out of a car keeping her right leg straight. 2 days after the operation, Grandma Bear was strong enough to go home. During the next few weeks, Grandma Bear went to physical therapy to exercise her legs and to practice walking up and down stairs. After 2 months, Grandma Bear was able to walk without using the walker or a cane. She was so happy that she could take walks in the woods again with her grandson. Grandma Bear and Baby Bear decided to collect some honey for Dr. Goldilocks and make her a necklace of acorns. Grandma and Baby Bear went back to see Dr. Goldilocks 1 month later. "I see that you are walking much better," said Dr. Goldilocks. "Thank you very, very much for the new hip," said Grandma Bear. Baby Bear handed Dr. Goldilocks the pot of honey and the acorn necklace. Grandma Bear, Grandpa Bear, and Baby Bear were all very happy to have Dr. Goldilocks as their doctor. They told all their friends with hip pain to come and see Dr. Goldilocks. The end.